Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see simple interest. What is meant by simple interest? Kala took a loan from the bank to do her higher studies. The loan money is known as the sum or principal. Okay. She takes some time, that is period, to return the money to the bank, isn't it? To use the money during a particular period of time, the borrower has to pay an additional amount to the bank. This is known as interest. Okay. Now, amount to be paid is equal to the principal he got as loan plus interest for the period he used the money. Okay. Then simple interest, that is SI, interest is equal to, you have to calculate the interest by principal into number of years into rate of interest. So PNR by 100. P means principal, N means number of years, R means rate of interest. Okay. So I is equal to PNR by 100 and the amount is equal to P plus I. Now we shall move to the exercise problem. Exercise 2.3. First one, find the simple interest on rupees 35,000 at 9% per annum for 2 years. Okay. Principal P is equal to rupees 35,000. Okay. The interest on 35,000. So this is the principal, this is the rate of interest, and 2 years is the number of years. Okay. So rate of interest R is equal to 9% per annum. Time N equal to 2 years. So simple interest I is equal to PNR by 100. This we know. Now you substitute in this P as 35,000, N as 2 years, R as 9%. Okay. That is 35,000 into 2 into 9 by 100. So you can cancel 0, 0. Okay. 9 2s are 18. Otherwise 35 2s are 70. 70 into 9s are 7 3s are 63. Sorry, 9 7s are 63. Then 1 0. Okay. Here 350, no. Again 1 0. So 700. 350 into 2 is 700. Now the interest is equal to, that is SI, interest is equal to rupees 6,300 rupees for the principal 35,000. Okay, second question. Aravind borrowed a sum of rupees 8,000 from Akash at 7% per annum. Find the interest and amount to be paid at the end of 2 years. Okay. Here, the sum of Aravind borrowed a sum of rupees 8,000. This is the principal and this is the rate of interest. Find the interest and amount to be paid at the end of 2 years. 2 years is the number of years. Okay. Now solution. Principal is P is equal to rupees 8,000. Rate of interest R is equal to 7% per annum. Time N is equal to 2 years. Okay. Simple interest I is equal to PNR by 100. You substitute 8,000 into 2 into 7 by 100. Now cancel 2 zeros. 82s are 160. So 160 into 7. 0, 6 7s are 42, 2, remainder 4. 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 4, 11. So interest is equal to rupees 1,120. Amount is equal to P plus I. I is equal to 8,000 plus 1,120 is equal to rupees 9,120. Okay. Answer. Interest is equal to rupees 1,120. Amount is equal to rupees 9,120. Finish. Move to third problem. Sheila has paid simple interest on a certain sum for 4 years at 9.5% per annum is 21,280 rupees. Find the sum. Okay. Here principal B rupees P. We shall take that principal as rupees P. Rate of interest R is equal to 9.5% per annum. Time N is equal to 4 years. Okay. So SI is equal to PNR by 100. So I we know that is the interest is 21,280. So we need to find the sum of money. 21,280 is equal to P into 4 into 9.5 by 100. Now here it is point no. So you multiply by 10 both numerator and denominator. And then it will come as whole number. That is P into 4 into 95 by 1000. Here 21,280. Here P is equal to 21,280 into 1000. Okay. Keep P there itself and bring all the numbers this side. Then it will come to the reciprocal. So 1000 comes to the numerator and 4 into 95 will come to the denominator. Now you cancel 4 1 times and 1000 250 times. Okay. Now 4,256. We are cancelling 95 is 19 times 5 table. Here 4,256. 4 times remainder 1, 2 times remainder 2, then 5 times remainder 3, then 6 5s are 30. Okay. Now into 250 by 19. Now you divide these two. Okay. 4256 by 19 table. 2 times that is 38. Remainder 4. Borrow 1. 12 minus 8 is 4. Then bring down 5. 45. Again 2 times. 38. Now 45 minus 38 is 7. So bring down 6, 76. 19 4s are 76. So 224 into 250. You multiply. 4 5s are 20. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12. Remainder 1. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11. Then 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Now add 0 0. Then remainder 1. And 6. Then 5. So principal is equal to rupees 56,000. So the amount of principal is P is equal to rupees 56,000. And we shall move to the fourth problem. Fourth problem is Basha borrowed rupees 8,500 from a bank at a particular rate of simple interest. After 3 years, he paid rupees 11,050 to settle his debit. At what rate of interest he borrowed the money? Here they are given the borrowed money, that is principal. Then after 3 years, that is n number of years they are given, he paid this much amount to the settle his debit. So 11,050 rupees he paid. So this is the amount he paid after 3 years. So A and P have given. So amount is equal to rupees 11,050. Then principal P is equal to rupees 8,500. Then time is equal to 3 years. Rate of interest is equal to R. This you have to find. Okay. Then total amount paid is 11,050. So amount is equal to P plus I is equal to 11,050. So you have to find I here. So keep I here and bring the P that side. So A minus P. 11,050 minus 8,500. So you subtract 8,500. 0, 5. Here borrow here. Again 5. Here 9. 10 we have. 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay. So I is equal to rupees 2,550. Now step 2. Here we have to find the rate of interest. Now we know the I. Now you substitute in this formula. I is equal to PNR by 100. That is 8,500 into 3 into R by 100 is equal to 2,550. This is the I, isn't it? So you keep R here and bring all this side. So R is equal to 2,550 into 100. It comes to reciprocal by 8,500 into 3. Now you cancel 3 1 times. Here 8 3s are 24. Remainder 1 15, isn't it? 3 5s are 15. So 0. Okay. Then here 2 zeros cancel. So 850 by 85. So R is equal to 850 by 85. Now you cancel 85 1 times. 85 tens are 850. So R is equal to 10%. So answer, rate of interest R is equal to 10%. So sixth problem. In what time will rupees 17,800 amount to rupees 19,936 at 6% per annum? Okay, here they are given the principal, that is 17,800, and the amount also they are given, that is 19,936, and rate of interest given. You have to find the time, means n you have to find. Okay, you have to find number of years. So for that we need I first, because I is equal to PNR by 100 we know, isn't it? So if we subtract these two we will get I, that is interest. So principal P is equal to rupees 17,800. Rate of interest R is equal to 6% per annum. Amount A is equal to rupees 19,936. So amount is equal to P plus I. Now we need I. Keep I and here bring the P this side. So 19,936 minus 17,800. And you subtract these two. And it will come 6, 3, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2. So I is equal to rupees 2,136. Now step 2. Here you have to find the number of years. So I is equal to PNR by 100. I we know 2,136 is equal to principal is 17,800 into n into 6 by 100. 2 zeros gets cancelled. Now you bring this side, means 2136 divided by 178 into 6. So 6 ones are 6. 6 3s are 18. Okay, 18 means remainder 19, 20, 21. 3 here. So 6 5s are 30. Again 3 remainder. So 36 is 6 times. So n is equal to 356 by 178. Okay, 178 1 times, here 2 times. 178 2s are 356. So n is equal to 2 years. Answer, required time is equal to 2 years. Seventh problem. A sum of rupees 48,000 was lent out at simple interest, and at the end of 2 years and 3 months the total amount was rupees 55,560. Find the rate of interest per year. Okay, here you have to find the R. So principal is equal to 48,000 rupees. Then time n is equal to 2 years 3 months. So you have to change the 3 months to years. So 2 years plus 3 by 12. It is 2 1 by 4. Okay. Then you change this to improper fraction. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9 by 4 years. So amount A is equal to rupees 55,560. Now I is equal to 55,560 minus 48,000. So now you subtract 50,560. Then 48,000. Okay. Subtract 0, 6, 5. You borrow here 15 minus 8 is 7. And 4 minus 4 0. So rupees 7,560. So interest for 9 by 4 years is equal to rupees 7,560. So I is equal to PNR by 100. So we know I 7560 is equal to P is 48,000 into so here number of years is equal to 9 by 4. 9 by 4 into R by into 100. Now 7560 into 120 into 9 into R. You cancel 1 times here 1, 2 times 0, 0, 0. So 2 zeros gets cancelled. Now 120 into 9 into R. So you bring this side. So 7560 by 120 into 9. So now cancel 9 table. 1 0 cancel and 1 times. So 8 9s are 72. Then remainder 3 36. 9 4s are 36. Okay. So R is equal to 4 by 12. Then 12 ones are 12. 12 sevens are 84. So rate of interest is equal to 7%. Eighth problem. A principal becomes rupees 17,000 at the rate of 12% in 3 years. Find the principal. Solution. Principal becomes rupees 17,000. That is amount. Okay. Rate of interest R is equal to 12% per annum. Time N is equal to 3 years. I is equal to A minus P, isn't it? So 17,000 minus P. Now you have to find the P principal. Here we don't know the I also. So here keep 17,500. 17,500 minus P is equal to P into N into R by 100. Here write as I is equal to PNR by 100. Okay. For I we are writing this. Okay. P into 3 into 12 by 100. 17,000 minus P. Now you bring this P this side. It will come as plus P. Okay. Now here one P and here one P. Here we have two terms, isn't it? In both terms we have P. So you take P common. Okay. Then remaining here is 3 into 12 is 36 by 100 plus here no remainder. So 1 into P. You take as 1 into P and keep as 1. Here remainder is 1. Now 1 means here plus no. So you have to see the LCM here. So into 100 into 100. Now 36 plus 100 by 100. So 17,000 is equal to P into 136 by 100. So the reciprocal of 136 by 100 is 100 by 136. So 17,000 into 100 by 136 is equal to P. Now you divide this 17,000 and 136. So 17,000 136 1 times 136. Then remainder 10 minus 6 is 4. Here 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. Then bring down 0. Then 2 times 2 for 72. 6 2s are 12. Remainder 1s. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 1s are 2. Okay. Now you subtract 8. Here 6. Then bring down 0. 680. 5 times 136 into 5 is 680. 0. So 125 into 100 is equal to P. So principal is equal to rupees 12,500. So answer P is equal to 12,500 rupees. Thank you. Have a nice day.